Yes, good morning, dear children. Hope you all are fine. So, today we will do value based question of chapter fraction. So, let us read. There was a fair in a village of Rajasthan. Hundreds of people were having fun there. Okay, so in Rajasthan, there was a fair. Just as in our Chamba, we are having Minjar fair. So in Rajasthan, there was a fair and the hundreds of people were having fun there. So suddenly, there was a stampede. Stampede means when the people start running in uncontrolled way, like they start running in a panic way. Okay, so there was a stampede there. Just in Hindi we said it. In Hindi we call it bhagdad. Okay, so stampede means when the people start running here and there in a panic way. Okay, so people started running here and there. So many of them got injured. So on seeing this, authorities took charge of the situation and sent 4/7 of the stampede victims to the nearby hospitals. So due to this stampede, the people got injured, and while the authorities were there, authorities are people who are in charge of that fair. They just manage all the things in fair. Okay, so the authorities took charge of the situation. They came and they took charge of the situation, and they took the stampede victims to the nearby hospital. So they took 4/7 of the stampede victims to the nearby hospital. Then the villagers also came to the forefront. Forefront means they came in front. They came to help the victims. So they took 2/7 of the victims to the hospital, and after that, the situation was brought under control by the police. So now the question for these value based question. So we have here 4/7 of the stampede victims were taken by the authorities to the hospitals. So you have to find in first question what fraction of the victims were rescued. Rescued means how many people were saved, or how many people were rescued or to get saved. So what fraction? So few people, 4/7 of the people were rescued by the authorities, and 2/7 were rescued by villagers. Okay, so the total were, we have to find the total fraction of these. So what we have to do, let us do. So the fraction of victims rescued are, so you have to add these two fractions. So 4/7 were rescued by authorities and 2/7 rescued by villagers. So we have to add these two. So we will get 6/7. Okay, now in second question, if you were in that situation, what would you have done? So what I would have done, if I were in that situation, I should not get panic first, and then first should try to help old people, women and children to get out of that place. So we should always help first old people, women and children, and we should not get panic in that situation. Now in third question, what precautions can be taken while visiting a fair or a crowded place? So what precautions should be taken? So here are the precautions. So first is your, we should avoid the place where there is a crowd. We should always avoid that place where there is a crowd. And second is, make sure you know about the exit option. You must know where the exit is before visiting these crowded places. Now the third one is, leave crowd immediately if the crowd seems to be out of control. When the situation is out of control, we should leave that place immediately. Now the next one is, do not wear loose clothes, shoes and accessories. So we should not wear these type of things while visiting crowded place. Now next is, avoid standing near structures that could collapse. So we should not stand there where there is a structure or a building or somewhere which can collapse. So we should avoid visiting that place. We should not stand by that place. Or this is how, by taking these precautions, we should avoid these things, and we can take care of ourselves while visiting a crowded place. So thank you, dear children. Go through this video and do your value based question of chapter fraction. Thank you.